Hey, how you doing? In this video, we're going to be talking about the Walmart Creator Program. Now, I applied a while back and I completely forgot
Ooh.
about it until about a week ago. I noticed something that reminded me about it, so I sent them an email to find out what was going on. I got a response right away saying they were looking into it. And today, I got an email. I am approved. I'm approved. I'm in the Walmart Creator Program. Can you imagine that? The Walmart Creator Program is pretty cool because it's the only creator program that's actually training creators. They don't care if you're brand new. Matter of fact, you don't have to have any followers to get approved. They're going to show you exactly what you need to do to be a creator, exactly what you're going to do to make money with the program. They have an influencer resource center. And if you've had trouble getting into other influencer programs, this one's for you. Walmart's the #1 retailer in America. Wouldn't you like to partner with the #1 retailer in America? So they're going to give you a storefront. They're going to give you affiliate links and you're going to drive traffic to Walmart. Right now, there's no shoppable videos. But the best part, 18% commissions on most items. Camera equipment, it's 10%. If you're a content creator and you're using affiliate links for your gear, you know that it's only 1% on Amazon. Imagine increasing your income tenfold by just changing your affiliate link. If you were going to make $100 commission on Amazon, that would be a $1,000 commission on Walmart. For the same content, it took you the same amount of time to make. Now, everything else in the Walmart store is 18% commissions. Can you imagine making 18% commissions? And hold on a second, there's a 14-day cookie, a 14-day cookie. So no matter what they buy for 14 days, if they don't go to another affiliate link in those 14 days, whatever they buy in 14 days from Walmart, you're getting a commission for. People are complaining they don't have on-site placements and that they have to drive their own traffic. In 2017, Amazon didn't have on-site placements. That didn't happen for almost 2 years. So you're going to sleep on the Walmart program and wait for them to start with the shoppable videos and the on-site placements? Or are you going to get in now? Be an early adopter. I'm all about multiple streams of income. Okay, one stream of income isn't enough. If you're counting on Amazon as your sole income, you know that Amazon changes the rules and makes adjustments and takes away carousels and does all kinds of stuff that messes with your income. So it's not stable. So you need other sets of income. You need the Walmart Creator Program. You need a YouTube channel. You need affiliate marketing. You need all these other things to come in. And now we have Walmart Creator. I'm going to be diving deep into the Walmart Creator Program and seeing what it is. There's not a lot of content out there, so there's not a lot of information. So I'm going to dig and see what I can find, and I'm going to bring it to you. So subscribe so you don't miss anything, and look forward to the next video.